Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by opening Safari and going straight to the controls that control privacy. On Mac OS, choose Safari, then Preferences, and click Privacy. On iPhone or iPad, open Safari, tap Tabs, and exit Private Mode. Once done, make sure you can enter your admin or device passcode if Mac OS prompts. You do this because leaving private mode and accessing the privacy pane exposes the specific toggles we'll change next. Don't skip these steps, or you'll miss the switches that disable protections. Now you'll disable the tracking protections that limit cross-site identification. In Privacy on Mac OS, uncheck Prevent Cross-Site Tracking, and then click Manage Website Data to remove stored blocks or adjust specific sites. On iOS, ensure privacy and security tracking toggles are off. Next, allow cookies by unchecking Block All Cookies so sites can store data. This increases site persistence. You're doing this to let websites and advertisers reconnect identifiers that strict privacy settings had been blocking. Finish by making sure Safari is in a normal browsing window and not private mode. Open File New Window on Mac OS or tap Tabs and select a regular tab on iOS. If you need fewer safety prompts, you can disable fraudulent website warning and preferences. Only do that if you understand the risk. Finally, test by visiting sites that previously blocked content. If something breaks, clear Safari's cache and restart the browser. If problems persist, re-enable one privacy toggle at a time to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.